Hello everyone, welcome to Shotcut video tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we loop a video in Shotcut video editor. So there are two ways of looping the video. One is the standard way and the one is a tricky part that we can use to loop our video. So we are going to see both the ways because both of them are a bit different and both of them has their own merits. So let us first start with the first way, that is that is not the standard way of doing the things. So this is our video of a tractor plowing a field and I want to loop this video. So once you have selected your video you want to loop, click on the plus icon to bring it on the timeline. Once it is on the timeline, you can adjust that how much length it is covering on the timeline by using this zoom slider. So this is the length I'm happy with. Then what you can do is just copy this video using Ctrl C and paste it using Ctrl V. So these are the two videos that we have got. Then at the end of the second video, go back a few frames, then split this using the split icon, or you can also use the S key for this purpose. Let us just zoom in a bit into our video. This is the part we have split. Select this part, again press Ctrl C to copy it, then go back to the place where your first video clip has ended. So I'm just going to use this arrowhead design, this particular button, to go to that particular place, then paste it over here using Ctrl V. Now if you just go back to the very first frame and let us play the video. So this is how it is playing, and here you can see the video. Once it has been played completely, then it automatically loops. So let's just see that part. Here it is looping automatically. So once it is completed, again it begins to loop. Just like this. So that's how you loop the video, and you can add as many loops as you want. That's totally up to you. But this is not the standard way of doing the things. But if you want a standard way of doing the things, then what you can do is just again bring up the video. Make sure you are happy with it. Just click on the plus icon to bring it onto your timeline. Then what we are going to do is just go to the filters pane by clicking on here, click on the plus icon and search for reverse. If you cannot find the reverse filter over here, that's probably because you are using a version of Shotcut where the reverse filter has been removed. So in that case, what you can do, make sure your video is selected. Go to go to this particular video, right click over here, go to properties. Here if you scroll down in the property pane, you will see this something that says reverse. So here you are supposed to select a quality. I'm happy with the quality of the video, so let's just click on OK. It will ask you to save the video somewhere, so let's just save it on the desktop. Let's just rename it as reversed video. Click on save. So once you have clicked on reverse, then you will see that a job has created that is actually reversing this video. So it will reverse the video and save it onto a place into you where you have selected. Like I have selected on my desktop, so that's where my reversed video would be placed. So once the job is completed, here you can see it is getting reversed. So let's just wait for the time when this reversing has been completed. Estimated time you will see over here, and here in the percentage you will see the progress, that how much video is reversed. So let's just meet once this progress has been completed. So now our video has been reversed, and you can see that in the timeline we are now getting the reversed video. If you just play the video, it is actually playing the reversed video. Okay, so what we're going to do is just decrease its size a bit, then go to the very first frame, and here I want to insert the original video. So this is my original video, so let's just insert it onto the timeline by clicking on the plus icon. This is my normal video, I guess. If you hover over the video name, you will see the video name. So let's just change its position by dragging it to the first place, or you can just cut and paste the videos. So firstly I want a normal video, and then I want my reversed video to play. So now if you just go to the very first frame and play the video, this is a normal video playing. Once it has been completed, then the reversed video will start to play. So here you can see now the video is reversing. So that's how we have created a perfect loop video in the Shotcut video editor. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.